Assalamu alaikum guys. Many of you have asked me how did I fix this hydraulics. Well, I couldn't make a detailed installation video. I'm sorry for that because it took long time to fix this thing, but I can show you guys the inside, what you guys expect to remove. Basically there are lots of things to do in this. You will need to remove this plastic first, then you need to remove this, then you'll have to remove this. Before removing this, there are 5 screws, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 and 7. My apologies, it's actually 7. Once you remove those screws, then you can pull it slowly. It have clips, you have to do it very carefully to avoid breaking the clips. Then you get the clamps from the supplier with the hydraulics. You need to replace these 2 clamps, both sides. The difficult part is to pull out the cable here. When you insert the cable, this part is very tough, okay. The next thing here, once you pull the cable here, you will need to remove all the stuffs. You need to remove this cover, and you need to remove this part, this sponge, I think this soft sponge thing. They have 2 screws, one here and one there inside. Once you remove that, then you need to remove this screw and this screw here to remove this part. Why to remove this part? Because once you pull the cable here, you take it from here inside, okay, and then you have to take it towards the plastic there. I didn't remove this because it was easy for me to just sneak in the cable inside this plastic, and I choose to fix my button here. For that, you'll need to make a hole. So you make the hole, you fix the button here, okay. So I'll just show you what else to remove. And here you need to remove this seat. Removing this seat, it have 2 clips, one here, one there. So you have to carefully pull it. It will be very tight, but you need to pull it out. Once you pull this out, you need to remove this plastic. This plastic is very important to remove, then only you can put the cable inside. Once you put the cable, you can take it underneath this plastic here. Taking to the front, it's easy. It all comes under this plastic. I didn't remove this because I could sneak it inside. You sneak it and you can put it here. And I fixed the button here because this is the ideal place to fix it. You can't fix anywhere here. There is no space, and it would look ugly if you put it here, and it's safe to put it here. I'll just show you. This is the cable. It's all plug and play, nothing to do. This is the fuse cable. It's fixed in the spare. You don't do anything else here. You just fix this just for the lock, because in order to detect the key, you need to fix this ECU cable which comes with the hydraulics. That's it, and it will automatically work. You don't need to do anything. One thing, you need to just connect one of the cable to the lock, the button behind. There is this button. There's a wire from that. You just need to connect the wire. That's it, because in order to detect your key, you just need to connect that cable. I hope this video is helpful, guys.